In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add admin on Facebook group. It is a very simple process. For this, open your Facebook application. So here you go. Now tap on the three horizontal line on the upper right corner. Now tap on groups. Now tap on your groups. And from here, select your own group that you want to add admin. So I'm gonna select my group. And now click on the group name. Tap on this group name. And now tap on see all beside the members option. Tap on see all. Here you will see all your group member. Now click the three dot beside the person you want to make the group admin. So tap on the three dot. Now a pop-up will appear. From here tap on add as admin. Tap on this. Now tap on send invitation. Tap on this send invitation. Your invitation has gone to him. He will be the admin in the group when he accepts the invitation. An important point is, to become a group admin, he must be a member of the group. So I hope you understand the full video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.